Well then, this is a bit of a change in pace. First of all, it's another video. It's so weird to having to take a bit of a selfie video with this camera, but I guess yeah, I don't even know where to start. It's been so long since I've been on camera, and hopefully it won't be much longer than this. Let's start over. I just want to make a quick vlog so that I can bring you people up to date about what's going on. So first of all, I've been this camera is heavy. I can probably put on a tripod. Be right back. So I'm sitting on the floor. Why am I sitting on the garage floor? It's a bit of a vlog. As I said, I want to just bring you guys up to date on what has been going on, what is going on, what is going to be happening in Corso Workshop. First of all, has Corso Workshop stopped? No, definitely not. Corso Workshop is still ongoing. The thing is that I had to have a bit of a break out of necessity rather than out of want. I have been incredibly engaged every Saturday morning, which used to be my crafting day, and then Sundays obviously it's time to spend with family, with Trisha and with with the chief. So it's been a little bit tough to fit Corso Workshop projects in the in the evenings after work. So I've been working really long hours at work lately for these past month and a half or so, but obviously the Corso Workshop did stop prior to that. Well, took a bit of a break prior to that. So where to begin? I think it's good to begin with good news. Well, to be fair, I've only got good news, to be honest. I don't really have bad news. Nothing really happened. It's just that I didn't have time to make videos and make projects. I've been thinking about making them and I've been planning them in my mind. It's just that I never had any time to actually sit down and start crafting. In fact, right now behind the camera there are a huge load of boxes in front of my workbench because big news is I'm moving, and I'm moving into my first and this first house that I'll be owning myself, along with obviously with my partner. So that's pretty exciting, and this has been going on for the past, I think, 8-9 months, which apparently by Maltese standards it's a record time to go from signing a promise of sale or promise of purchase on a property and then actually buying it. So yeah, we actually, as of the time of this video coming out, or actually from the time recording this video, I am signing the contract in 2 days, which is super exciting because that is the very same day where I'll be going to go over and sleep there, which is insane because we don't even have a mattress yet. We bought it, it's just we'll be sleeping on an air mattress because we're insane people and we just like adventure, I guess. Good news for Corso Workshop. Back to Corso Workshop. So what is going to happen to Corso Workshop? It is going to obviously continue. I'm going to be making projects again. Style of videos may yet again change again. The non-narrated ones did very well in the beginning, but kind of slumped a little bit later on. Possibly because I did not promote them as much as I did, possibly because I was starting to get bored of it, and I think I should start sort of re-involving myself, like as narration and that sort of thing in the videos, which we'll see how that goes, and then we'll adjust the style accordingly. In the meantime, I'm going to start, I think the very first video, which is going to be like a project video, is going to be a new workshop bench, because the new place that we are buying, the top floor is basically 2 terraces. This is the roof split in 2 parts with a large washroom in the middle. There's obviously going to be a washing machine and a tumble dryer, but other than that, everything else, including a kitchenette, actually is going to be part of my workshop. I'm going to be making new workbenches. I'm going to be setting up my new leather working stations. We'll have the 3D printer there, a small computer to sort of 3D model and export and slice stuff and all that good stuff. I'm really looking forward to it. My prop wall is going to be there as well, which is going to be like, I can't really explain it now properly because I don't have videos of it, but basically it's going to be a workbench in the middle with me working on it one side and recording the videos, and then for like introduction for live streams, if I ever do vlogs or that sort of thing, I can swap the camera on the other side of the bench and I'm going to have a background with the prop wall, which super interesting, super awesome, and really exciting for me. I'm going to display all the stuff that I received over Fools with Tools treasure trades and all the stuff that I made. It's going to be really cool. I'm also going to have a live stream room, which is on another floor, live streaming corner rather, which is for the other project, which is called Epic Geeks. Some of you perhaps may not have heard of it. In the meantime, while Corso Workshop was on a bit of a break, I needed to have a creative outlet, so I started, along with 4 other friends, Epic Geeks. It is a gaming channel, live stream, Twitch channel kind of thing. We mostly do gaming, obviously, but I think the highlight is every Sunday, which is a Dungeons and Dragons campaign, which I host, I DM, and I think we're the first people to have this kind of setup. And we're also sort of worldwide, because we've got Melissa from Mexico, we've got Evelina from Denmark, Paul from Ireland, Jason from the UK, and myself from Malta. So it's an international effort, and it's really awesome, and that has got me really excited, and it's also gave me a lot of inspiration for Corso Workshop to make, props and projects relating to those live streams, build sets for it, and I've got a huge list of projects which I am going to be doing on Corso Workshop. In the meantime, this really isn't new news for those of you who follow my Patreon page. Again, thank you so much for the patrons. There are rewards coming, and definitely I'll be making stuff for patrons, especially those who have stuck to the channel and supporting me throughout this content drought, so to speak. Chris and Rob, thank you so much, honestly. So there's that. I am working on gifts and rewards, because obviously, rightly so, I feel like these people should be rewarded, but it's thanks to them that I'm actually going to be doing the workbench fully funded from Patreon funds, which is insane. It's the first project, apart from tools and it's the first project which I'm technically not going to be spending any money on. I'm going to have a budget, but I'm going to be spending the Patreon money on it, which is never have I done this in, I don't know how long have I started now. Since I started 3D printing 2017, I think. Never have I thought this would happen, but it did, and it's amazing, and I want to thank them so much. As I'm saying, this news was posted in October, like what's going on and that sort of thing, but now obviously I feel like I had to make a bit of a video because it's actually happening. Now, in 2 days I'll be sleeping in another place. In 2 days I'll start working on another workshop, and it's a little bit unnerving, but I'm really welcoming it. Sorry, I keep glancing sideways because I got a brand new coffee machine and I'm really excited to use it. The things that happen, the things that get you excited as an adult, I suppose. I don't feel like I'm an adult, but that's another thing. Anyway, I would like to thank you so much for joining me for this very brief video. A couple of minutes. I would like to thank everyone who viewed all my previous videos, all the subscribers that somehow keep on slowly trickling and subscribing to the channel, even though there was a content drought. I cannot understand it, but I really appreciate it. And thank you so much to all those who comment on my videos, to view my videos, and it's really overwhelming sometimes, and it's really awesome. So thank you so much. Again, sorry this is not a project video yet. I do have a project video on the works actually, which is the last project that I shot. It is Witcher Gambeson. Looking back on it now, I'm not 100% happy about it, so I might redo it, but I am editing the video and I'll see if I can fit some of them. I still need to shoot an intro and an outro for that. Yeah, got some stuff to do. In the meantime, I have to go get back to packing, so we'll see you in a bit, hopefully. See you with a brand new project soon. In the meantime, Instagram, hopefully I have some updates there, Patreon, obviously, and yeah, that's it. Really excited. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and till the next time. I need a new catchphrase.